Warday number 987. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. In today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, November the 6th, 2024. And I've already solved 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So 1 regular puzzle is left. The binary puzzle. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with this binary puzzle number 9542. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Let me start with the ones. Double ones. Dano. 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 Double ones. Double ones. Dano. Now the double O's. Here one, there one. Doubles, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Doubles, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes no. Between the ones comes no. Between the ones comes no. Double ones, here no, there no. Doubles, here one, there one. Then double ones, here no, there no. Doubles, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Then, between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between the O's comes in 1. Well, double O's, here 1, there 1. The ones here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. The ones here no, there no. Between the ones comes no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we'll have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be a 1. This should be an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the last row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Voor minderheden die ook in een soort nieuwe emancipatie zitten. Nakomen van slaafgemaakte mensen die niet alleen homo lesbisch, maar in een bredere context zit voelen. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need to compare, I think. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Well, this column, the second column, and this column, let me compare. 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box 1 1 0 0 0 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1 2 3 4 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Need to compare again. 4. Yeah. Yeah. I cannot compare this one. It's not the same. Middle the bows here. The one. Yeah. This row. And the last row. Let me compare. Sorry. 1 1 1 1 1. Empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be no. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4. Need to compare again. Cannot believe this. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Yeah. Yeah. Double O's. Do we have a double O's here? No, I cannot compare this column. How about here? The double ones. We have a double 1 here. Oh, no. So we need to compare the rows. Yeah. Do we have 1,000 here? 1,000. 1001 here. 1001 here. Okay. 00110011. Yes. This one. And this one. Let me compare. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be no. Between the O's comes in a 1. And here we have 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double check. 1 2 3 4 5. Correct. In 9 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. Oh, apologies. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. We'll meet again in the evening with other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, Bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Wednesday.